like Adam and Eve was right. Brian the banging was right. God knew the brain. Hidden the secret, the dark devil the same. He whipped within, deep in the ear, Matt blame. The fruit, same evil is that key that change. The gum all on your great deeds are bad inside.
To the Jews and Christians and Hebrews and Muslims, to those who believe in the oneness of God, this is the month of power, the month in which we must bow and fast to the Almighty God who created heaven and earth.
And what would explain what the night of power is? The night of power.
And was known as Al-Amin and Al-Salim, the honest and true. And the man entering his prime actually looked like, describes him as a little above average height. He had a sturdy build with long muscular limbs and tapering fingers. His hair was long, thick and wavy. His eyes were large and black with a touch of brown. His beard was thick. He was of fair complexion and now ready to get married.
How good your man have merit, seeing he is unable to give satisfaction. Is it perchance that man sinneth not? Certainly, it is that God saith by his prophet David, 7 times a day falleth the righteous. How daily falleth the unrighteous? If all righteousness or corrupt, how abominable all righteousness. As God liveth, as there is not, that a man ought to shun more than his sin I merit. Let a man know the work of his hands, and he will straightway see the merit. Every good thing that cometh out of man, that man doeth it not, but God worketh with God. For his being is of God, who created him. That which man doeth is to contradict God, his creator, and to commit sin whereby he merits it not. Reward, but torment. Not only had God created man, as I say, he created him perfect. He had given him the whole world after the departure from paradise. He had given him 2 angels to guard him. He had sent him to the prophets. He had granted him the law. He had granted him the faith. Every moment he delivered him man from Satan. God saved or hath sent them to. God really can give himself to them. Consider then the death, that it is greater and there was named only the obligation to give thanks to God. But since we are not able to create a single flaw, seeing there is but one God, who is Lord of all things, how shall we be able to count it a day, or truly, if they would say, to win you and 100 pieces of gold, you will be obliged to afford 100 pieces of gold. Accordingly, the sense of this is that God, being Lord of paradise, and the circumstance that saved them, which Jesus did, and did whatever he did. Wherefore, when he said to Abraham, I will be thy great. Abraham did not say, God is my gift. But God is my gift and my gift. So when God gets the poison, God off just to explain that God will give man such and such things if man worketh well of righteousness. And when God shall speak to you, and shall say, O my servant, thou hast spoken well, what reward seekest thou from me? Thou, Lord, seeing I am the work. It is not sin that there shall be in me sin, which Satan loveth, Therefore, Lord, for thine own glory, have mercy upon thy works of my hand. I praise thee and Almighty.
In sight, it's just them that fight, that in the most that right, that apple right, had a sweet taste there. And the drop there, crazy if you don't want them. Sweet side inside, always knew that bar. When they real deep in, and out that tree. The proper part, even jungle wall, forbidden fruit, and the garden of Eden, where they tasted the fruit.